this ayah, we are learning to be conscious, have emotional intelligence, and be conscious of the people around us, especially even within our family, who are on the verge of snapping. They're holding on by a thread. Don't say a word. Forget saying all of it. Don't even give a hint that you're happy or something good came your way, because they don't want to hear you being happy or some good coming your way. That is going to be enough for them, and they are going to be capable of very bad. The other thing that we're learning in this ayah is, yes, family is something we have to be close to. We have to love, and there are so many teachings in our religion that we have to have a bond with family and be forgiving with family and close to family. And yet the Quran is also telling us sometimes family can be pretty damaging. Family can be pretty harmful, and when they are, you have to be careful, and you have to have the sense to know that you need to keep a distance. Quran is not calling you to fight with your family, but the Quran is also not asking you to be naive. It's not idealistic. Just be good to your brother, no matter what they do to you. No. Don't tell him stuff. Sometimes you know your brother has a major temper problem. Your uncle has a serious issue. And you feel guilty that you're not opening up to them, even though they're family. Actually, the Quran is relieving you of that. And it's saying, no, you have to be sensible. And you have to know that some people, even within your family, just don't have the best intentions for you. And they're not capable of having a healthy relationship. And when they're not capable of having a healthy relationship, and you're taking steps back, you're not the one that's supposed to be held accountable. You're supposed to take your precaution. He didn't say don't trust your brothers.